This is where I build pretty much all of the agents. And the cool thing is, like, someone asked how a normal person does it. I'm very much a normal person. I took 1 year of C++ coding in college, didn't even pass that. So I don't have the technological background of building out systems and coding and everything. But just like Dan says, I do this with words. I know how to prompt the AI to do what I want it to do. That's all you really need to learn. You don't need to learn how to code. You don't need all the ones and twos. If you know how to utilize AI and prompt AI to do and ask it the right questions, you can pretty much do anything. So that was part of it here. Again, speaker is Dan Martell. Perfect, perfect. So I'm going to keep going, running out of time here, but I did want to just finish up the presentation here. So just like you talked about, right, there's going to be the AI agent, that's the doer. Virtual assistant is the director. That's the two, and then you, that's a two-person team, you and the virtual system assistant utilizing AI. So that's called the Centaur model, basically, where it means one, the AI agent, plus two, the virtual assistant. One plus one equals not two, but three, because it's more than the parts of the sum. You can do so much more with just one person. Just like Dan said, two people are going to be able to create $1 billion business. That's what the power of AI is going to do. So I am going to just give you a quick blueprint before we head out, right? Of what to do, how to do it. People are asking, what do you need to do? Um, First thing you want to do is to make sure that you know what you need to automate. So if you have a business right now, or if you don't, you want to make sure you're as efficient as possible and figure out, okay, what can AI do for me? What can a virtual assistant do for me? And then you can basically get rid of those things. You can automate those things, or you can delegate those things, those low value tasks. So what I have here is a audit sheet that I'm going to send out to everybody here. Let me go ahead and actually make a copy and then try to share it in the chat for you guys. This is if you were working with me in order to see how you can get AI agents or get a virtual assistant. This is the first thing I would ask you to do in order to get so we know what we need to automate, what we need to go ahead and delegate to you. So basically the way it works too, before I sent it out, you basically every 15 minutes for I would say 2 weeks, kind of just keep track of everything you do. I know it's a lot, but it is very impactful. So you will see, you will write down what you do. You would give it a score of 1 to 4, one being the least value, four being the most value. So like for instance, watching TV, probably a one, but then finishing and filing your taxes would be a four, least value to most value. Depends on what you do, that dictates that. And then energy. You want to do green would mean something gives you energy. Red means something gives away because everything either gives you energy or sucks energy from you. Green gives you energy. Red sucks energy. So green, the TV maybe gives you green, gives you a little bit of a boost, makes you feel good. But taxes, even though it's super important, it's probably red because it sucks your energy out. So you'll be able to go ahead and see what is the most beneficial way to structure your day. What do you need to go ahead and see what you dictate? Because those things that are less valuable and suck your energy, you probably want to delegate away, probably want to automate. Things that give you energy and are very valuable, you want to keep to yourself. So I will try to share this real quick in the chat. Share, share, share.